Unlock seamless access to your hard-earned Digistore24 commissions by mastering the simple process of linking your Payoneer account. First, log into your Digistore24 account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile or account settings. Look for an option related to payout details or payment methods. Click on Payout Settings here. You'll find options for how you want to receive your earnings. We need to select Payoneer as our preferred withdrawal method. Choose Payoneer from the available withdrawal options. If you haven't already, you'll likely see a prompt or a link to connect your existing Payoneer account or create a new one. Now, you'll need to provide your Payoneer account details. Typically, this involves entering the email address associated with your Payoneer account. Double-check this for accuracy. Some platforms might require further verification, like entering your Payoneer username or a unique identifier. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once you've entered the correct details and confirmed, Digistore24 will initiate the link to your Payoneer account. You might be redirected to Payoneer for a final confirmation or security check. After the connection is established, your Digistore24 earnings will be automatically sent to your connected Payoneer account according to your chosen withdrawal schedule. It's efficient and secure. Manage your currencies within your Payoneer account to optimize for withdrawals and understand any applicable conversion rates. This ensures you get the most out of your international earnings. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Digistore24 to Payoneer, paving the way for secure and efficient international earnings withdrawals. Happy marketing!